I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine. Know it. You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are exactly what I want. Kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. To shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. I got my head out the sunroof. You got me stuck on the thought of you. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. La da la da la 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 da 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 dee da da la 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 da la da la 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 da la la la
Yeay, udah nyampe di Sirukam. Udah nyampe di Sirukam. Yeay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jadi kita sekarang sudah tiba di tempat belajar kita. Hari ini di mana lokasinya, Kak? Di Sirukam Dairy Farm. Nah, jadi hari ini kita akan melakukan apa nih, Kak? Pengamatan apa nih, Kak?
Oke, jadi sekarang kita akan bertemu dengan sapi-sapi yang imut.
Wow.
Terus melihat
Pengolahan dari keju mozzarella.
susah menjadi keju.
Betul sekali. Jadi di sini masih lihat alamnya.
Wow.
Lagi di Sirukam Dairy
Yeay.
I don't wanna go to school tomorrow, I'm too tired. I don't wanna go to sleep tonight, I'll see the fire. We had too many Marlboro nights.
Baik teman-teman semua, halo.
Ya.
Jadi di sini kita PKH 25 sudah sampai di Sirukam.
Yeay. Kami habis foto-foto. Foto-foto, foto-foto.
I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you.
Oh semua, sekarang kami lagi ada di Sirkam Dairy Farm dan kami lagi nyobain susu pasteurisasi. Nah ini tuh susu yang jauh gizinya tuh lebih tinggi dibanding susu-susu UHT teman-teman. Dan ini tuh melalui proses pemanasan dengan suhu 65 sampai 75 derajat. Bedanya sama UHT itu, kalau UHT dia 135 sampai 145 derajat. Makanya memang UHT itu dia lebih tahan lama, tapi ini gizinya lebih tinggi teman-teman. Kita cobain ya susu pasteurisasi. Rasanya tuh lebih nyusu banget, enak.
Nyapi banget ya, enak banget susu. Nyapi banget gak nyam banget ya?
Nyapi banget.
Terasa banget gizinya ya.
Ya, dan ini cuman tahan sekitar 5 jam kalau di suhu ruangan teman-teman. Kalau misalnya di kulkas tahannya bisa hanya 5 hari doang. Jadi ini mantap. Jangan lupa dicoba.
Wow, lebih better daripada Ultra Boris. Coba ya
Spending all this money while you sitting around wondering why it wasn't you who came up from nothing. Made it from the bottom, now when you see me I'm stunting. And all of my cars are with a push of a button. Telling me I changed since I blew up or whatever. So you never could call it. Don't need my name on my show, you can tell it I'm ballin'. Swish, what a shame, cause you got picked. Had a really good game, but you missed your last shot. So you talk about who you see at the top, or what you could've saw. But sad to say, it's over for. Phantom pull up, valet, open doors. Wished I go away, got what you was looking for. Now it's me who they want, so you can go and take that little piece of shit with you. I'm at a baseball trying to hold all of the change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's over. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. And all these fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love song, I'll be sick. Now I'm at a payphone. I've been reading books of old, the legends and the myths, Achilles and his gold, Hercules and his gifts, and Spider-Man's control, and Batman with his fists. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list. But she said, where'd you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with some
Jadi trekking kita ada trekking terus nanti
just something I can tell.
Halo guys, kami sekarang lagi di kandang sapinya. Tapi kami nggak boleh masuk, nggak bisa masuk.
Ya,
Hanya bisa lihat dari jauh.
Karena itu green zone teman-teman.
Iya benar, green zone.
Jadi yang bener-bener steril banget ya. Jadi kita lihat sapi-sapi
Yang
imutnya.
lagi kepanasan, tuh lagi dikipasin.
Ada hidup kipasnya. Jadi kita lihat dari jauh.
Something just like this. I've been reading books of old, the legends and the myths, the testaments they told, the moon and its eclipse, and Superman unrolls a suit before he lived. But I'm not the kind of person that it fits. She said, where'd you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some fairy tale bliss. Just something I can turn to, somebody I can miss. I want something just like this. I want something just like this. Oh, I want something just like this.
aman aroma terapi. Ini
namanya Atsiri kalau teman-teman tahu. Ini Atsiri. Nanti kita bakalan nanti ke rumah Atsiri nanti.
Selain ini ada tanaman yang lain.
Ada tanaman Atsiri itu adalah tumbuhan beraroma. Dari sini. Dari sini kita melakukan pemisahan. Dari pemisahan itu bakalan pindah ke kolam P1. P1 itu bakalan proses. Yang pasirnya bakalan tinggal. Untuk pasir yang ada di sini nanti akan kita keluarkan menggunakan eskavator terus menyubur. Kalau periode penjemuran itu tergantung cuaca. Kalau cuacanya bagus itu bisa 3 bulan sudah kering total. Habis itu kita ayak terus kita sterilisasi bisa dipakai kembali. Pasir. Iya. Jebakan pasir.
It's the most
Hai guys. Kami nyangkring sama bunga ciayam.
Bunga apa namanya?
Bunga ciayam.
Oke, ini namanya bunga ciayam.
Namanya tai ayam. Cium dulu, cium dulu.
Cium.
Ya Allah lu.
Musuhnya.
Udah emang mencium baunya.
I'ma be under the mistletoe with you, shawty with you, shawty with you, under the mistletoe. Everyone's gathering around the fire, chestnuts roasting like a hot July. I should be chilling with my folks, I know, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. Word on the street, Santa's coming tonight. Reindeers flying through the sky so high. I should be making a list, I know. I'ma be under the mistletoe.